Today we're going to show you how to remove and install a ignition switch on your MSU 500 or 700. First you have to remove is the steering wheel. You have a nut here, and of course your plate, cover plate. I already had that off, so just remove the cover plate. There's two screws holding the cover, which is this one right here, and these two right here. So just make sure you take those out with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay. After removing the cover, upper and lower cover, there are two screws holding that bottom cover, so make sure you get those two right here. After you do that, you're going to remove these two screws here that hold the ignition, and on the back side you'll have to cut the zip tie to remove the plugs that are holding, which is these right here. So just going to be a white with brown and red one. Unplug those, but make sure you have the battery unplugged. And that's how you remove the ignition switch. Repeat the procedure backwards. Make sure you have your switch, and then you just attach it and then put the screws back in there and unhook the three cables. Like I said, run them through the hole that's underneath right there, and you have your new ignition switch.